Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Tuesday, May 11th, 2021. 14 days left of school. Oh my goodness, I can't hardly believe that. Eighth graders, 14 more days of middle school, and then your high schoolers. That is absolutely amazing. I'm so proud of you and all the work that you've done this year. I can't wait to start talking more about graduation and thinking about graduation. It's going to be awesome seeing you all up there. Let's talk more about that in just a minute. Let's do the Pledge of Allegiance first, and then we'll jump into that same conversation I was just talking about and talk a little bit more about purpose today. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you can go ahead and have a seat. Sit up nice and straight. Once again, I just love that third grade is joining us with the 4th through 8th grade assembly, because third graders, you're almost 4th graders. You're this close. So those 8th graders are almost in high school. You're almost in 4th grade. So this is perfect for you. Here's the deal. You're so close to that finish line. I just want to keep encouraging you every single day to get there. There are some people who will finish up testing for the year in the next day or two. Awesome. Hey, if the test takes you longer, awesome. That's great. Remember, there is no good part about finishing this test early. That doesn't help your score, nothing. Like taking your time, that's the way to go. But just know that everybody's getting close, right? Everybody is well over halfway through the test. Everybody's getting close to the end of the year. A whole bunch of people are getting close to having their last PFA finished. Oh yeah, in fact, this morning I checked it. I told you that yesterday we had 48% of our students completely on track with PFAs. We've never hit that high of a number all year. Today we're at 50%. We went up 2% overnight. That's actually not overnight. It's during the day yesterday, because I don't think anybody passed PFAs last night. But during the day yesterday, as a school, you passed enough PFAs to get 2% of our students more up on track. So here's what I want to tell you. What are you going to tell yourself and tell your classmates to make sure that you keep pushing? Okay, we can't just exhaust ourselves. We don't want to see that finish line and then take off on that sprint like I was talking about yesterday, and then trip and crash and just lay there. Like, you got to sprint, you got to keep going for it, but you got to keep each other going too. And I love that race analogy that Mrs. Wright brought up a few weeks ago. It really works here, because to keep racing, you're going to need somebody encouraging you. And there's actually two people that need to encourage you, yourself and others. So here's what I want you to talk about this morning. What positive things do you want to say to yourself? Like, what's going to be one of your self-talk things today? And what encouragement can you give other people? I mean, what can you do for your class when there's people who pass the very last PFA? Oh my goodness, that's amazing. Also, middle schoolers, get those tickets in, because I heard that we're going to have some awesome pie in the face Friday. And I just wanted to remind you how important it is to make sure that you're putting Mr. Alderson and Mr. Wood on those. We had our staff meeting last week, and we had this teacher appreciation lunch, and they were just so sad that they didn't get any pie last week. I felt really bad for them. I think they need to get pied this week. They really, really need to get pied this week. So make sure you pass some PFAs, put their names in there. All right. Encourage each other towards the finish line. You're so close. 14 more days. Have a great day, Achieve.